Do you know what OL means on a digital multimeter? The exact meaning depends on the mode you are in. On some function it is indicating open loop, on other functions it is indicating overload. So the exact meaning of OL depends on the mode you are in. For example, let's say you are measuring resistance. If you read OL on the display, it means the circuit is open loop. It means open circuit. There is no path for current flow. This is normally when there is an open circuit, when a broken wire is there, when fuse is blown. Everything that interrupts current flow, path for current flow, can display OL. It means open loop. This is when you are selected resistance mode, continuity mode, or diode mode. If you do this on these modes, and if you find OL reading, it means the path is open loop. If you're expecting a connection, then it is broken. You have to check your circuit for breaks or poor connection somewhere. But if your multimeter range is placed on voltage or current reading, OL means overload. This indicates the reading is exceeding the display range. The measured value is too high for the selected range. So, for example, if you are measuring a 12-volt battery with the multimeter voltage range placed on 2 volt, for example, it will display OL. It means overload. So, in order to fix this, turn the dial to a higher range setting. If your meter is auto-ranging, this should not be a problem. But if it is manually selected range type, you have to place it on high range. That is why it is usually recommended to begin from a high voltage reading, a high range selection, and then drop down as you read based on the readings that you find. The lower the range, the more accurate the reading will be, but it has to be within range. If it is exceeding that range, it will display OL. So that is what OL means on digital multimeters. So remember, OL is not a sign of a broken meter. It's not a sign of a faulty multimeter. It is a clear signal to either adjust your range setting or check an open circuit. Thank you for watching.